Customer come in and was making a complaint that his radio wasn't working in his truck. What I ended up doing was going to the owner's manual and finding what fuse was the one that controlled his radio. And once I found what fuse it was, I went to his fuse box, pulled the fuse out, checked it, and his fuse was actually bad. So what we're gonna do today is a really simple fix, and we're just gonna replace his fuse and check and make sure that his radio functions properly. So according to our owner's manual, it was fuse number 8 that controlled it. It's right here. As you can see, we have a clock. And his radio is working. So, simple electrical repair today, but that's how you do it. First, you just want to go to the actual owner's manual. First thing you want to check is the fuse. See if there's a problem there. If that's not the problem, then you can research further and see if you can find what the actual issue is. You can go to Pro Demand or Mitchell On Demand and research there and see their manufacturer's preferred way of diagnostics